Bro. Lapu-sapian kita.
Papi, papi, boom! Pipa, pipa!
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Oh?
Double kill.
Nice kill. Ay, ito pala sa hit. Awi.
Papi, papi, boom!
You have slain an enemy.
Awi. One more.
Double kill. Killing spree.
Sorry.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Ayun, natusok ako.
Retreat. Killing spree.
Watch out for neck problems.
Oh, wait a minute, bro.
Let me clear the way.
Gege.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Doctor calls me his little angel.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Can't fly.
Tara.
I can do all. Papi, papi, boom! Pipa, pipa!
Mega kill. An enemy has been slain. Unstoppable. Well played. Your
Diba?
team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Papi, boom!
Tara. Layo na.
Monster kill.
It's my job to help people.
Initiate retreat.
Wait 3 seconds, guys.
Papi, papi, boom!
I got you guys.
Initiate retreat. Godlike.
Oh, it's okay.
Your team destroyed a turret. Mega kill.
Bro.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Ay,
Your turret has been destroyed.
super healing naman pala.
Stay cheerful every day.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Kaya ba? Wait.
Initiate retreat.
Okay.
Kikikaka.
Te, heal mo naman puso
An
ko.
ally has slain the
Sheesh.
turtle.
Happy with that?
Tinanong mo ba kung puso ko na heal ko na? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, that's kinda ouchy. Ay, kuya! Wait a minute. Tinutusok ako neto. No!
Shut down. Mega kill.
Annoying!
Angel.
Instant
Lobat
kill.
na? Oo nga, no? Gusto niyo sumali next game, guys? Parang gusto niyo yata mag-ML ako. Sige, sali kayo next game. Naka-open yung lobby. Hi, guys! Daming gising.
Shut down.
Sali kayo. Pwede naman.
Keep on smiling. It's a papi,
Lapu!
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Sinalo mo na lahat ng sakit.
Shut down.
Wait.
Mega kill.
Nice! One more. 2 more pala. Wait lang, be. Wait lang.
Kill.
Wait lang. Wait, wag ka muna mamatay. Wait. Bro.
Happy popping boy.
Wait, mali. Hindi. Hindi pa ako pinatay nun.
An enemy has been
Nice. Wait. I think I'ma die.
slain. Double kill.
Pipa pipa.
Oh. Kill ko kayo. Aray mo!
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Hi.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sali kayo next game. Thank you, Blackjack. And wait lang. Hindi ako nakatingin sa screen ko. Wait. Sino ba? Yes. Next game.
Request backup.
Lord. Tara, Lord? Oh, wait lang.
Your team destroyed a turret. Attack the Lord.
Yes. Next game. Ken Sale.
Gather at the Lord!
Dahil sa inyo mag-next game ako.
Initiate retreat.
Tap nyo na yung hearts para mag-next game.
Instant kill!
Bro. Lakas naman.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Uy, grabe naman yun.
Our turret is
Oh,
under
naglalag
attack.
ako? Oh no!
Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Mega kill.
Instant kill!
Yung CC!
You have slain an enemy
Solo
turret.
push!
Solo push. Wait lang.
Doctor calls me
Game na.
an angel, but I
Ay.
can't fly.
Ayun yung mag-lord, guys. I think kaya naman. Ay, mali. Wait lang po. Wait lang, guys.
Killing
Wait lang,
spree.
guys.
Instant kill!
Wait lang po.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Ayaw nyo mag-lord? Okay.
Day
Oh no, Shintai, you're gonna...
every day.
Hindi pala. Uy, grabe! Ang galing! Nabalik yung buhay niya. Hala! Na-exit ko yung ML ko!
Double kill. Unstoppable.
Instant kill!
Shut down.
Wait lang!
Kill.
Napindot ko.
Kill.
Sabi naman, ikaw, Lapo. Okay.
Victory.
Bilis daw ng laro, oh. Sorry. Yan. Gusto ko yan. Nanalo tayo. Get me out of legend. Oh.
And hope are the two greatest inventions.
Wait, I need to take a picture of this. Wait. Smile, guys. Oh! MVP pa! Wow! Galing! Guys! Grabe! That pala yung, binuhat ko yung viewers ko. Ganun. Smurfings ako, Smurfings. Ang yabang! Ang yabang ko na! Okay. Di ba ko, guys, ah? Oh, bagong lobby naman. Last game. O, ayan. Si Kuya Nico yan. Gusto niyo ba mabuhat ng MVP? Wait. Pwede naman. Go, El. Sali ka na. Go, go, go! Ay! Baliw, kompleto na pala. Sorry. Game, game, game. Pwede ko na tinignan, ah. Yes. Ay! Oh my God, nag-enter na ba ako? Game. Lo, yung internet ko. Kaya.
Your team is banning.
Sorry, nakakairita ba yun? Wait. Ano nga to? ML. Okay. Ano sila ulit? Parang
Your
nag-enjoy ako
team
eh.
is banning.
ASMR.
Please pick a hero.
Or
Uy, open.
love and hope
The
are the
enemy
two
is
greatest
picking.
inventions.
I've been waiting for
Nitay.
too long.
Sino to? Ikaw ba yan, El?
Hope will find a way.
Your team,
All is forlorn. My pleasure.
the enemy is picking.
Carry na. Ah! Ito. Yung malakas. Sheesh. Thank you sa gifts. Si SNG pala. Ang lakas mo. Lalakas naman kakampi ko.
I'm born with
Papa and
talent.
Koopa are the best
Your
partners
team is
in the
picking.
world.
This land is our homeland, and it will soon be your burial ground.
Every bullet of mine is a
The
gift
enemy
for
is
you.
picking.
Pabuhat po. Ako bahala sa inyo. I'm bahala. My turn. My turn. Na para bang. Wow. Sorry guys, nasa bahay ako. Thank you, John. My turn. Dapat pala nag-chat ako kanina, di ba? Minsan lang naman ako mayabang eh. Chat ako, my turn.
For honor!
Na para bang, uy, MVP ako kanina. Hindi mo nakita. Kaya mayabang ako eh. Ipital na? May Sige. Next time, ano na gagamitin ko? Thank you, El, sa Gigi.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! Request back 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Medyo nakakaantok tong game na to ah.
Doctor calls
Ang
me a little
yabang!
angel, but
Gumaling lang ng isang araw. Hi, kuya. Grabe, tinitipian tayo. Tinanggal ko yung tipi ko eh. Kairita eh.
stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems.
J-boy, what are you doing there?
Tangled up. Can you
Bro.
help me with that?
Oh, I don't wanna go close to that guy. My turn. Papalit ako IGN. My turn. Wait lang.
Keep on smiling.
May OJT ba ako
It's
bukas?
important.
Hindi pa ako mythic. Ngayon lang ulit ako naglaro. As in, after ilang days. Wala akong time. Hulo, yun na si J-boy.
My job to help people.
J-boy pala. Arisu!
Initiate first blood!
Ayan na.
Doctor calls me
Bumabalik na.
angel.
Sa dati. Sana all
I can
bumabalik
do
sa
all the
dati.
chores.
Eme.
Except cooking.
Sige, isig na nga ako. Uy, ang galing ko kaya kanina. That pala I stopped na there.
The turtle!
Enemy reached level 4.
I should have stopped na there pala. Wait. Ay, hindi. Uwi ka na lang. Sana all bumabalik. Sana all
Enemy
talaga.
has been slain!
Wait lang, my babies. I can't heal you. Yan, si Yumi. Lala ng antok ko, guys. Kakagising ko lang. As in.
Pipa pipa.
Request backup!
Abracadabra.
Ba't kita hinihil? Win streak ka. Start ko lang.
Stay cheerful.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Ang lala talaga.
Day
Sino naman si J-boy?
every day.
Stop it. Bro. Naantok ako. Valo nga pang pagising. May update ba? Namiss ko maglaro, guys. Puro na lang ako aral. Hindi ko na alam ginagawa ko. Naglalakad-lakad lang ako. Lapu. So you need sape.
Papi
Ay,
papi bola.
napindot ko! Sorry, my bad. Okay lang.
Pipa pipa.
Whoa! That was good.
An enemy
Nice
has been
kill.
slain!
Ay! Ako na yung nice kill. Wait, I go home.
I can do all
Ay, wait,
the
no.
chores.
Later na lang.
Except cooking.
Yan!
An enemy
Nice kill.
Papi papi bola.
You have been
Oh,
slain.
tuke!
An ally has been slain.
Ah!
Initiate retreat! An ally has been slain.
Papi papi bola. Abracadabra. Keep smiling.
Killing spree!
Nice kill. Oh.
Attack the turtle!
It's my job to help people. people.
Arisu! Napanood niyo ba, Alice in Borderland? Ay, nako, inis na inis ako.
Doctor calls me a little angel, but I can't fly.
Fly!
Initiate.
Wait lang, be!
Gather at the turtle!
Ally has been slain.
Ay, goya. Sorry, wait. I'm kinda not doing my job.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Papi, papi, boy! Stay in a good mood every day.
Enemy has slain the turtle. Launch attack.
It's like it's on my leg, bro.
An enemy has been
Nice
slain.
kill, okay? Okay, okay. Ay, napindot ko, bro!
Kill.
Yung si J-Boy.
Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
Okay, I can hold
Request
myself.
backup.
Staring at me.
Understood.
Watch out for neck problems.
Your team destroyed a turret. Push first.
Spaghetti. Ay, what? Di ako umuwi.
Cheerful every day.
Wait, patugtog na tayo para di ako antukin. Bro, wag na nga.
Keep on smiling. It's important.
Ah.
Initiate retreat. Well played.
Papi, papi, boy!
Request backup.
I'm next!
You have been slain.
MVP
Unstoppable.
ng kalaban.
Destroyed a turret.
Instant kill!
Hinawin niyo kasi, guys.
Double kill. An ally has been slain.
Nag-MVP lang yung mabang na.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Oh,
Shut down.
Granger!
Kill.
Ay, wala na palang kalaban.
Wiped out.
Okay, okay lang. Hino lang kita. Turtle time.
Attack the turtle.
Come on.
Keep on smiling. It's important.
Turtle time. Don't we wanna get the turtle, guys?
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Okay.
Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat.
Understood. Solo
What's going
kill.
on, guys?
Our turret has been
Okay.
destroyed.
Wait. What am I stepping on? Oh, I'm kinda lagging. I'm kinda lagging. Bro. CC immune. Nice.
Double kill.
Nice. Oh, sorry.
Killing spree.
Hindi umabot, pre. Naku, inaway ko talaga mag-isa. Ayun, medyo
Been slain.
mali yung ginawa ko doon.
Thank you so much! Best friend!
Yes, nagpo-florin ako, guys.
Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat.
Abracadabra. Keep smiling.
Yeah, pangit talaga yung net ko dito. Pero okay lang, at least meron. Kung wala, I'ma crash out for real. Bro. Sige, next game. Kung umabot tayo ng 6k likes na yung next game ka sa akin. Kagura?
Papi, papi, boy!
Do you need some help, my dear? Ayun. Oh my God! Wait lang. Oh, my pumpkin. Wait lang. Wait, I think we gotta... Grabe naman yung Kagura. Wait lang. Grabe. Guys, I don't wanna be here. I don't wanna be here.
Retreat.
Oh my God. Ayun, parang... Guard! Ibaliw.
Brilliant tanking!
Initiate
Wait a
retreat.
minute!
Papi, papi, boy!
Mega kill.
May update yung balo?
An enemy
Oh.
has been slain.
I have no idea, bro.
Your team destroyed the kill. Initiate retreat.
Ala, naglalag ba?
Triple kill.
Ayoko na.
Maniac.
Uy, grabe naman yan, kuya.
Shut down.
Sorry, naglalag ba?
Your team destroyed
Di ko
the
kasi,
turret.
dito kasi sa monitor, okay naman siya. I don't know kung sa phone.
Attack the Lord.
Naka-fire Wi-Fi ko sa phone ko na isa.
Kikikaka! The strings of my puppet go papi, papi, boy!
Ay, mali! Okay lang. At least andito na ako.
Launch attack.
Bro, pinasok niya yung lima.
Retreat.
Oh my God! Delay yung game.
Enemy has been slain.
Baka sa... Anong tawag dun? Casting? Wireless casting? Oh. Sorry. Oo nga, di ko na-realize yun. Oh,
Enemy
oo nga,
has
no?
slain Lord.
Nag-lord sila? Okay guys, let's go. Let's win this. I'm gonna wake up now. Bukas ko na nga yung mata ko.
返すぜ
Attack enemy lord!
Request backup.
Attack enemy lord!
Initiate retreat.
Guard.
Our turret is under attack.
Diyan ka nagkakamali, bro. Ayun. Binatukan ako niya. Pakita ko swerte ko actually yun.
An ally has
As in,
been slain.
pakita ang swerte ko.
Down.
SKL.
Our
Are we
turret
kinda
has been
losing?
destroyed.
Wait.
Our base is under attack.
Oh!
Defeat.
Oh my God. We lost. Ayun, nabawi lang din. Aray ko talaga. Grabe si Namba, buhat na buhat. Sinugod limas. Okay, new team. New team. Disband na tayo, guys. Ano yun? Bruh. Okay, who wants to join? Last game. Wait lang. Like nyo muna. Like. Hanggang 5-5. 5-5. Gusto kong mag-mythic. Pwede naman. Hindi na ako nakaalis dito eh. May update ba, lo? Wait. Update ko na. Kaso, maglalag yung live. Na-set ni Tig. I did not see that. Gusto ko pa age, okay. Oo nga, tingnan nyo yung last kong stats. Look at that, guys. pagyabang ko lang to. Dapat ito yung ilapag ko ganyan. Guys, so naman kayo. Guys, kumusta kayo guys? Guys, kumusta naman kayo? Tatap yun nun. Wait, nag-update ako Valorant. Meron nga. Ay, meron nga. Laki 4 gigabytes. Gigabyte. Pag na Pag naka-joke lang. Ngayon, yung right now. Right now. Wala, bukas pa to guys. Hala, wala. Di ko na-update yung balo ko. Hello? Lag pa ba? Di ko na i-update yung balo ko kasi naglalag yung stream. Hello? Okay na ba? Ox na ba, be? Isa pang game ba? Tap niyo yung heart. Tingnan mo, yung last laro ko. November 10 pa. Wala talaga
I
akong
hope my
buhay.
voice
Puro na lang
can
ako
bring you
aral.
courage.
Pwede nga, tap nyo nga yung heart. Medyo 2 AM na pala. 6K. Thank you sa TikTok and sa GG. Oo, RL is live. Ganun dapat, guys. Pag di tayo mabot ng 6K likes ng 2 AM, bro, I'm gonna sleep. Just gonna tap it. Naantok na ako eh. I have pasok, Tom. Isip kayo ng bagong game na pwede nating laruin. Pwede naman Honor of Kings. Yeah, we can play one game pag nag 6K likes before 2 AM. I'm EP na. Kaya ba? Or mabago? Mahirap ba mag-like? Keyboard warrior naman kayo eh. Antok na ako, guys. Ay, we! Hindi nag-update sa akin! Wala, naglalag pati yung PC ko. Hindi nag-update sa akin. 5.5 pa lang sa akin. Or am I tripping? Mali ba to? Hello? Talo, guys. Talo. Talaga ba? Buksan ko nga sa Talaga? Okay, tara. Tinatrust ko kayo Ayan, okay na rin sa akin. Go, join. Last game. Ilang hearts ba kailangan? Isa lang naman kailangan kong puso eh. Uy, grabe, tinan mo yung pink ko naman. Go, sali. Go. Go. Who's following me? Ay! Bro. Go. Di ko pala pwede. Chicken nuggets followed me. Ay, gusto ko yung ano. Wait lang. Pag may new follower, yung tumutunog. Uy, akala ko ba sasali kayo? Wala to, guys. Wait, paano ba yun? Alert. Add. Alliteration. Okay. Wait lang. Dito talaga ako nag-ayos ng... Ayun. Add natin. Saan yun? Wala. Ay, ito pala. Try nyo nga. Game. Okay. Grabe naman. Grabe naman ang mga rank natin, guys. Uy. Ako yung may unstable network connection. Wag na daw kayo makipag-team sa akin, guys. Ako yung pangit yung wifi. Oh my. Teka nga. I-exit ko nga tong Valorant ko. Huwag nyo daw ako kalaruin. Kim na nga. Ako yung may issue. Uy, hindi. Hindi ako yung may issue. It's not me. It's you. Ay! Oh my God! Hindi ko na pindot. Sorry, my bad. Lutang. Magpa-Florian ako Dapat next time, kayo yung mag-request ng hero ko. Falmon. Joke lang.
Your team is banning.
Happy time na ako, guys. Pag talaga binan yung Florin, cannot nabalo. Cause may update pa po. Next time. Tomorrow.
The enemy is picking.
I-stream ba ako bukas? Let's see. But I wanna play. But I'm sleepy.
Among the planes exists the equilibrium, which I was made.
Let's make the whole
The enemy
world
is
for
I
am the invincible
Lancelot.
Ay, wala pala ang book. What's my role? Guess. I want you to guess.
Chivalry is dead,
I want you to
and
guess.
I will revive it.
Buti pa sa Valo. May role ako. Wow! Duelist! Grabe naman yung bilip niya sa akin, guys.
Mighty oaks from Little A.
Your
Buti pa
team
dito
is
sa
picking.
ML. Malinaw kung ano yung role ko. Aww. Ang sad girl, nakakainis. Ayos na nga. Ani? You're wrong. Sad ba?
Experience the euphony of suffering.
Ay, go. Last game na, guys. Naantok na ako for
The enemy is picking.
Sino ba yun? Si Kuya James.
Unforgivable.
Nakita niyo yung skin ko? Ay, hindi niyo pala nakita. Ganda na skin ko, no? Florin. Cute. Guys, try nyo ako i-follow. Gusto ko lang i-try yung alert.
Let them play the hero.
Your
I will
team
be
is
the
picking.
truth this world desperately needs.
Healer ka naman. Nag-heal ka ng iba para sila naman yung sumira ng tiwala mo. Ay, that's so true. Tapos sa end, ako rin naman pala yung mag-heal. Uy. Ayun! Thank you. Ang cute. Ang cute ng tunog. Parang doorbell. Diba? Diba? Ang cute. Okay, what's the lineup? Ang ganda ng skin. Wow. Ah! Ay, si Kat! Hi, Kat! Nailaro ka din ba? Ang cute naman ng doorbell. Okay, wait, natawa ako dun. Wait. Ano to?
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Pinatunog ko lang. Yun. Pinatunog mo yung doorbell ko.
Together we win!
Well played.
Ay, we! Lagay ko yung ano. Wait lang.
Green.
Ipi!
Color of hope.
Ayun! Hindi man lang tumama. Ah! Thank you! Ang cute!
Make the
Ay, sorry, kinuha ko.
bloom again.
First blood.
Sorry.
Why? It's okay. Ah! Cute! Thank you, Kenneth.
Every choice we
Ayun, yung minion tuloy yung naano ko. Anong rank ko? Wow, Uncle. Parang di tayo magkasama kanina. Na para bang...
Let's go, Ju. They need our
Ayun.
help.
Initiate retreat.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Back muna. Naantok na ako, guys. Last na to. Uy, mali.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Request
Enemy reach
backup.
level 4.
Ang cute talaga ng tunog.
Nature loves everyone.
Oh, it's the dragon guy.
Enemy reach level
Level ko pa lang ako. Hulo! Nag-ulti siya, guys. Nag-ulti siya. Uy, buko pie! Uy, wait lang. Wait. He kinda strong.
Enemy reach level 4.
Ayan. Inasar ko kasi.
Enemy reach level 4.
Initiate retreat.
Thank you, Kissy. Butter. Hi, Butter. Thank you, Kissy.
Show
Kissy ba o
what you got,
Kisse?
Ju.
Retreat from the
Enemy
turtle.
has slain the turtle.
Enemy reach level
Oh,
4.
thank you. Kissy? Kisse? Thank you. Wait, focus na tayo, guys.
Show them.
Oh, ba't nawala siya bigla?
An enemy has
Ano
been
naman yun lagi,
slain.
di ba? Nawawala bigla. Ay! Thank you, Garfield.
Blossom
Bro,
for you.
wait lang, parang hirap nung kalaban. Hindi, natataas ang rank ng mga to eh. Ayan na si Julius.
Today is wonderful, and tomorrow will be even better.
Bawal! Bawal, Julius!
We are not fighting alone.
An enemy has been slain.
Solo kill.
Hindi.
Ah, the unknown world always fascinates me.
An enemy has been slain.
Sorry guys, hindi ako tumutulong sa team ko. Wala ako natutulong guys. Wait, seryoso na.
An
Mag-lock
ally
in na
has
ako.
been slain.
Grabe, alam niyo ba kahapon, sobrang locked in ko sa studies. Studies. Ah!
This world is full of things that I don't know.
Bro. Surprise! Oh my god, muntik na ako mamatay. Ay, may heal na pala ako.
Gather at the turtle.
Ow! Ano yun? Ano yan?
Okay. has slain
What?
the turtle.
This place
That's not true. Bro, wait lang.
revive.
Ah, sorry, wala. No more heal.
Slain.
For
Initiate
all the
retreat.
flowers of all the tomorrows.
Push first.
Guys, legit.
Killing spree. Our turret has been
Ayun, parang nabalik ko yung ano ko. Ayun na naman yung dragon!
slain.
Talaga yung mga yung galit na galit.
An enemy has been slain.
Thank you, Garfield. I love you so much. I love you too so much. Thank you.
You read my
Enemy
mind.
battle spell
Wala na
on
akong tinulong. Tignan yung stats ko. Wala akong tinulong. Bro, thank you so much. Sorry, teammates. Lag na nga. Wala pang tinutulong.
An enemy has been slain.
Wait, may tao dyan. Yung soccer guy.
Launch attack.
Bro.
Okay.
Yun. Nice. Ate. Okay. Ulo!
Each flower is the dream come
Hindi
true
na.
of time and space.
Turret has been destroyed.
Tinanggal ko nga yung recall ko eh. Wait,
Initiate
patutog na tayo.
retreat.
You really did. Oo, kakagising ko lang guys. I took a nap. Di pala nap, yun yung sleep ko. Ay na pala.
This world is full of
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Legit member. Mukha ba akong hindi MNL?
Our
Grabe.
turret is under attack. Request
nature
backup.
loves everyone.
Wala game na to guys. Inaantok na ako. Di ko na nga alam ginagawa ko. Kanina lakas ko pa kanina, no?
Show 'em
Pa,
what
ang
you
yabang.
gotta
Ang
do.
yabang ko na. Wala akong natatamaan sa bola.
Killing spree.
Yan, yung mukhang robot. Ang cute niyan.
Retreat.
Yung sa TNC. Buang. Jamie niya.
Initiate retreat.
Saka na lang yung Kuromi. Bigay ko sa jowa ko.
Has been
No.
destroyed. Enemy unstoppable.
Yeah, di ako makapunta kay Coley dahil masakit ulo ko kanina. Tapos natutulog din
Under
ako.
attack. Launch
As in,
attack.
kakagising ko lang mga like 8
Understood.
p.m.
And
ganun.
tomorrow will be even better.
My God, wala akong tinutulong sa team ko. Puro lang ako tawa.
This place is supposed to be an oasis, isn't it?
Bro, ba't ba ako humaharap?
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Ano ba yan? Si Justin Bieber kanina. Ayoko na. Nagsisid ako. Wait, hindi na lang.
Initiate retreat.
Hindi. Emotional support.
An enemy has been slain.
Inaantok na ako.
An ally has been slain. Ally has been Your team destroyed
Guys,
the turret.
pag finalo nyo ako, matatutunog yung ano,
Push through
yung
the
doorbell. Ang
and grow
cute.
towards the sun.
Initiate retreat.
Game na nga. Baka nabibwisit na saan itong mga kakampi ko.
Our turret is under attack.
Lock in, guys. Thank you, Jess.
Show them.
Okay. Focus muna tayo. Wow! Thank you, Josh.
Initiate retreat. Request
Wah.
backup.
Wait lang po.
Please bloom.
Thank you, Kiyu! Oh, thank you.
Retreat.
Aired? How do you pronounce that?
Okay.
Gather up
request
the Lord.
backup.
Understood.
Let's go, dear.
Bro,
Monster kill.
bro, yan na yung dragon. Agoy mo! Aray mo! Aray mo! Aray mo! Aray mo!
Slain. Double kill. Triple kill.
Wala ka bang pasok bukas, Jimiao? Meron, OJT. Pero wala akong school sa... School? What? Wala akong pasok sa school!
Shut
Kasi
down.
Saturday. Kahapon, kanina nag-exam ako. Tsaka nag-OJT. Pagod na
My
pagod na ako,
friends
guys.
told me that life is all about choices. Miracles may happen in every choice we make.
Our
Wait.
turret is under attack.
Wait lang.
Request backup. Our turret is under attack.
Thank you, Cleon.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Pagod na nga, tas bumuhat pa ng
Initiate
4. Oo nga,
retreat.
guys, sakit na ng likod ko.
Our turret is under attack.
Yung bulaklak bigayan ng Jamie House. Thank you, Aaron. Oh, it's you again.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ayun, wait lang. Bakit ba ako humaharap sa inyo? Na para bang sinalo ko na lahat. Ang sakit. Uy.
Green is the color of hope.
Ano ba, Julius? Baka maniwala sila. Eme ka.
Showdown.
Lancelot!
Initiate retreat has been slain.
Understood.
Bro. Wait. Te, bigay yan ng Jamie House. Thank you pala, Jamie House. May Jamie
Our
House ba
turret
ngayon?
is under
Tulog na yata
attack.
yun. Mga Jamie House. Hindi lahat kayo Jamie House. Wala kayong choice.
Destroyed.
Ano ba? Sino ba yung... Yan yung may ganyan?
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Each flower is the dream come true of a tiny seed.
Yes, RG. Aray ko mo!
Ally has been slain. Our inhibitor turret
Monty.
is under attack.
Muntik. Muntik na. Parang kayo. Wow. Na para bang. Yun yung favorite kong word ngayon. Na para bang. Na para bang.
Initiate retreat. Legendary.
Sorry, guys. Epic na ulit soon.
Superb damage. That was amazing. Gather at the Lord. Understood.
Last day ng exams. No! Actually, hindi pa yan yun. Hindi pa finals, guys. Ano lang yun? Long exam. Ano exam lang yun?
Down. Attack.
Wala pa yun.
Legendary.
Hindi pa yun. Hindi pa yun ang totoong laban. Aray mo.
Legendary.
Pero grabe no, sobrang wala talagang kabuhay-buhay nung the past days. Like literal, nagsasurvive lang talaga ako. Alam mo ka ngayon? Alam niyo ba ngayon? Wait up. I'm killing the Lord. Like, kanina wala akong ginagawa. Like, naninibago ako. Like, di ako sanay na wala akong ginagawa. Anong course ko?
Your team
BSI.
destroyed the turret.
Aray mo! Teka lang, te. Hoy! Nakakainis tong yung na to. Nakakainis. Inubos sa akin lahat. Gano'n naman yun, guys, eh. Nakakainis.
Initiate retreat. Slain.
Ayan, Julius! Nasamon mo tuloy! Nakakainis! Naantok mo. Mag-iisa pa ba tayo, guys? Gusto nyo ba? Gusto nyo sumali? Sali kayo next
Follow
game.
Lord. Follow Lord. Follow Lord.
Allen? Sinasadya mo ni Jamie magpapatay para makausap. Totoo. Guys, ganun ka kayo kumahal. May 8 deaths ako. Kasi gusto ko kayo makausap ng matagal. I told you.
Nature loves every.
Uy, wait lang. Bakit ko ba hinaharap yung mga kalaban? Sorry. Napapadaldal kasi ako. Ay. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi kayo makausap, guys. Gusto naman kayo. Yung bangs ko, tatlong piraso na lang. Na para bang...
Enemy has been slain.
Are you a tank? Okay. Try nyo nga ulit patunagin yung doorbell. Dali.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Bro. That is so weird!
Miracles may happen in every choice we make.
Sorry. Nababaliw na ako. Julius kasi! Sinisa si Julius, no? Julius, andito ka pa ba? Thank you, Jess.
Request backup.
Si Julius kasi! Wait lang!
Slain. Request backup.
Hindi ko kinakaya! Hindi ko kinakaya si Julius talaga. Ang diabolical kasi ng comments niya. Ano kahapon? Nakalive ako sa official. Minute siya nung moderator. Sa kawawa naman. Tinan mo yung mga ka-team ko. Nagpapakahirap para mabuhat ako. Tapos ako, tumatawa lang ako sa live. Sorry guys, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Sana alam niyo yun. Julius kasi! Kasalanan mo to!
Request backup.
Na para bang?
Green is the now attack.
Hindi ko na kinakaya!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Wait, puro ko tawa. Di ko na tinutulungan tong mga kakampi ko. No heal. 19 seconds. 19 seconds heal. 19 seconds. 8 seconds.
Initiate retreat.
Make this place bloom again.
Eh, diba? Diabolical. Eh, paano kung like si Julius, like, nagchichika siya? Tapos biglang, yung person, so, like, bro, that's so awkward.
For all the flowers of all the tomorrows.
Initiate retreat.
Attack enemy lord.
Bro. Nakakainis!
Initiate retreat. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ay, may frozen pala ako. Oo nga, may frozen ako.
An ally has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed.
Na-distract
Our
kasi ako
inhibitor
kasi
turret is under
tawa ako
attack.
kanina.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed.
Sorry, teammates. I love
Today
you
is wonderful.
all. Nabawasan kayo ng star dahil sa akin.
Revive. Our base is
Hindi,
under
seryoso na.
attack.
Seryoso na. Lock in. Ayun!
An enemy.
Dragon ka na naman. Kaya pa to, guys. Kaya pa to. Itaban pa natin hanggang dulo. Hindi katulad ni ano.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Winnable? Ng kalaban? Wow!
Instant kill.
Thank you, unknown artist.
Page.
Tatanungin niya yung doorbell. Buti ka pa, Ate Jamie. Nilaban hanggang dulo. Talaga. Nilaban ko guys eh. Thank you, Jess. Ikaw rin ba yung kanina? Or madami kayong kapangalan? Ay, hindi. Ikaw din yan eh. May next game pa ba? Parang ayoko na. Tinan mo sila, nag-game plan sila. Nagsa-strategize sila dyan sa sa chat. Tapos ako tumatawa lang. Thanks, Gab. Itulog ko na lang.
Show 'em what you got,
Kalbo na
dude.
pala yung turret natin. Diabolical. So diabolical talaga. My God. My
Gather
God.
up the Lord. Okay. Launch attack.
Bro.
Show them.
Lord. Tinan mo si Kuya Rick. Napapatawag na ng Lord. Sobrang lala akong maglaro.
Launch attack.
Wala, sinong binatuan ko dun?
Gather up the Lord.
Guard my back.
Slain Lord. Initiate retreat.
I think we shouldn't be there. I think let's just stay here, guys. Angelo! Ay! What? Ba't siya biglang nandun?
Attack enemy lord.
Bro.
Initiate retreat. Our base is under attack.
Ayun. Thank you for everything.
Shut down.
Go, guys. Go, guys. Sorry, Timmy. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.
Our base is under attack. Defeat.
Ayan na, ayaw na. Hala, nag-freeze. Ay, eme. Guys, sabi ko dagdag star, hindi ba? Hindi, akala mo ako may kasalanan. Ako may kasalanan. Uy, huwag niyo naman tignan yung ano ko, yung stats kong malupit. Wow, 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 wow. Wow! Yan, naman nag-glitch yung lahat. Tulog na ba tayo, guys? Tulog na natin to? Tulog na natin to, guys. Huwag na tayong umasa. Tulog na natin to, guys. Ayoko na. Break na tayo. Never sleep with a loss. Sinabi nyo din yan dati eh. Tapos natalo palalo. Nice G, guys. Sorry. Inaantok na talaga ako. Like, legit. Ano oras? Secret. Tataas ng rank ng kalaro. Oh my. Wala kasi akong kalaro. Ay. Hindi, parang ayaw ko na mag-isa pa. Bukas na lang. Gusto nyo? Bukas? Isabel, thank you sa heart me. Set time, walang time. Naantok na. Yes, TP time na. TP time! TP time! Diabolical. Diabolical talaga. Diabolical. Alam naman na yung antok ko. Funny kasi kakagising ko lang. Sana antok na ako agad. Pagod yan. Sleep na mga di worth the wait. Okay, good night. Matutulog na ako, Jess. Pinapatulog na ako ni Jess. Okay, good night everyone. See you when I see you tomorrow. I don't know, let's see. Oyasumi. Good night. 여러분. Balo bukas. Oh, thank you, JM. Tutulog na kami ng mga alaga ko. Wow, si Jess ulit. Thank you. Nag-doorbell. Bye. Bye, everyone. Good night. See you next time. Wala na. Tapos na. Parang eme. Sige na. Bye. Ay! May PFC live ba ako bukas? Meron ba? Ano bukas? 15? Wala. Yes! Kailan yung next? 6th Sunday? Ano ba yan? Okay! Bye everyone! Thank you so much! Sleep well! Bye! Wala na! Tapos na! Bye-bye!
Okay lang, ang cute mo dyan, be.
Okay na yan, screenshot.
Ang ganda ng ano niya.
Ay,
Ganda ng ano.
Fuck.
Perfect. Pero tayo sinasabi ko sa'yo, magpa-check up ka na. It's for your sake din.
Mura lang yan sa recto.
Tsaka para malaman mo lang din yung grado mo. Mamaya hindi mo na papansin, mataas na. Uy, may naka-screenshot daw nung post mo. Paggugulat kami, naka-profile na dyan sa mga nagko-comment sa'yo. Yung mukha mo na nakaganon. Ay!
Ay, ano ko, naalala ko na. May iniisip pala ako. Ano po kasi, di ba, cycle? Nasa calculator, parang ako!
Go.
Cycle po kasi siya. So, meron doon, di ba, na mga cycle. Iba-iba po kasi yung cycle. Tapos, ginawa, parang binatch po kami. Tapos, nilagay kami sa likod.
Ha, paano yun yung per batch? Depende sa cycle mo?
Opo. Kasi
naman yun?
nilagay sa likod yung mga medyo, nilagay sa harap yung mga medyo need patutukan kasi